Move zeros. Given an integer array nums, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. The brute force solution uses two for loops. For every index, we scan every element to the right of it. The first for loop is anchored on the first index with a 0. The second for loop scans all the elements to the right of index plus 1. Whenever we find a non-zero element, we swap it with the element anchored on the 0. After going through every index and every index plus 1 combinations, then we should have a final array with all the zeros swapped to the n. The time complexity is n squared. For every index of I, we have to scan every element of I plus 1. And the space complexity is O of 1. In the optimized solution, we can merge the idea of locating a 0 and searching for a value to be swapped in one for loop. Here are the properties of the anchor index. All elements left of the anchor index minus 1 are non-zeros. All elements, including the anchor index itself and anchor index plus 1, are potentially zeros. We only increase anchor index if we see a non-zero element. We continue iterating until all elements are processed. The anchor index is ensuring all non-zero elements are moved to the front of the array and all zeros are pushed to the end. The time complexity of the optimized solution is O of n. We scan every element left to right one time. The space complexity is O of 1.